भाजपा आड एकठांय लढो दिवपाक भारतभरच्या सगळ्या विरोधी पक्षांक बरोबर हाडपाक इंडिया आघाडी म्हणटा ती काँग्रेसीन तयार केल्ली एक माची। लोकसभा वेंचणूक दारार पावल्या आनी फक्त चर्चा चालू आसा। सीट वाटपा बद्दल अजून कांयच स्पश्टीकरण ना। गोंयांतय इंडिया आघाडीची गत पळोवपा सारखी आसा। काँग्रेसी बरोबर आम आदमी पार्टी, गोवा फॉरवर्ड आनी आरजी हो पक्षाचे आमदार विरोधान आसा। हे आमदार फक्त विधानसभेतच एकठांय रावतात, पण विधानसभे भायर कितें आयकात तांच्यो जापो।
He is an alliance partner of ours. Okay. Currently, as the press conference today was regarding opposition members. On parliamentary election also, it makes sense that we don't divide ourselves. You also agree. Everyone wants us to divide. That we should not be divided. So I only pray to God that better sense prevails within all of us, that we don't divide ourselves.
India alliance is a work in progress. It's a work in progress, man.
So you are there in it.
It's a work in progress. We don't know where it will go. It has started. The work has begun.
No, but तुमका बाक्यांना कंसार्ट बागरता.
Time येऊन आले अजून.
अजूनही?
Maybe. You are reading the newspapers.
Yeah, I know. I have been.
What is the progress of this India alliance? So it's begun. I am not anybody to speak on behalf of the India alliance.
Okay.
I cannot speak.
No, I'm talking as far as his party is concerned.
My party will not contest Lok Sabha elections. This is my personal.
Oh, that's all.
We have not decided that way formally, but I am of the opinion that we should not be spoilers.
So to be a part of.
So now, what we have to do is see one step at a time.
The discussions of India alliance is still happening. As I have mentioned clearly, we have got in the north a face ready, in the south a face ready. When India alliance happened, whichever seat is being given, we have one person who is going to be there. Whenever India alliance decides कि we seat sharing जे जातले, नॉर्था जातले, साउथा जातले, which share जातले, ते प्रमाणे आमके एक face ready हा. And we are ready to put up that face anytime whenever the India alliance tells us. Depends on the discussion of India alliance. But one thing is sure, we are not going to fight. 5 जण 6 जण एक तिकेटीक झगडपाक आम आदमी पार्टीन कोण तसं ना. So when India alliance decides की म्हणजे जर एक सीट शेअर जातले गोंयांत जावचे ना ते डिसिजनाचे आम्ही वयतले.
आमचे पार्टी डिसिजन आसा. पार्टी डिसिजन हेच्या पयलीं तुमकां सांगलां आनी क्लियर कट सांगलां. तुवें तर खुबशे क्वेश्चनय केल्ले आमकां. आतांय तूं करता, फुडेंय करतलो. बट तो डिसिजन आसा तो हेच्या पयलीं सांगलेलो आसा आनी क्लियर केल्लो.